G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, I actually decided to be nice. The father-in-law's birthday was coming up, so I thought it was only appropriate that I made him this. As you can see there, I put my chain jig to use and ended up fabricating this up. So obviously the Chev logo with the 58 in the middle. Had some leftover timber that I had laying around, I think it's cypress pine, and I couldn't find any nice hardwood boards which I wanted, but I ended up using this and then just whitewashed it. As you can see, I patinaed the chain and then I gave it a nice clear coat. So stick around and yeah, see exactly how I did it. Thanks guys. Not that I'm making excuses, but the keen-eyed amongst you might realise I kind of stuffed up. But, you know, if I was going to make an excuse, it's pretty hot here today in Australia. I needed lunch. It's pretty hot here today. I needed lunch. I got more, but I'm just going to cut this out. Alright, so I just wiped it over with a bit of metho, degreased it, and I've got a bit of salt and vinegar mixed up here. And I'm just going to brush that on, and hopefully it gives me a bit of nice patina, a bit of flash rusting over the night, and then I'll seal it. needed lunch.